The last portion of the Habit Camera app, which I want to share with you, is the settings. So when I open the Habit Camera app, on the bottom right, if I click the gear icon, it takes me to the settings menu. And so in this menu, there's 5 major headers underneath it, including personal info, device info, clinic info, help, and voice control. And so starting from the top down, if I go to personal info, this allows me to input my own personal information. Again, even if you input this information into the app, this is not visible by Habit Camera or anybody else. This is just your own personal info. If I go to device info, if I'm connected to a device, it will provide me with all of the details of that device, including the camera name, the password, the firmware, and the ability to update the firmware if desired. When I go to the clinic info, if I want to put in my clinic info or my clinician's name, I'm able to do so. The help menu has links. One link is to our website where we host these videos and instructions manuals. And the other link is to support, which is info@habitcamera.com. And so if you ever have any issues with using your device or the functionality or troubleshooting needs, the way to contact us, please email us info@habitcamera.com and we'll get back to you as quickly as possible. And then lastly, the voice control. If for whatever reason you wish to disable this functionality and you don't want the app to be able to support the voice recognition, simply disable that functionality by selecting the slider at the top of the screen where it says voice control. Or conversely, if you wish to re-enable the voice control, select that again there as well. And so those are all the functionalities built into the settings menu for the Habit Camera app.